Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. Bitcoin halving will spur surge in NFT volume. Next, Coachella and OpenSea launch NFTs with music festival utility and keepsakes. Also, crypto dollars helped lift U.S. politicians to victory in congressional primaries. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We are a new channel here on YouTube, and would greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. It does help support the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline: Bitcoin halving will spur surge in NFT volume. Mintable founder Zach Burks said that if the halving boosts user engagement, there would be an uptrend in NFT prices. As the much-anticipated Bitcoin halving looms closer, professionals working in the non-fungible token or NFT space anticipate that the crypto milestone will not only affect crypto tokens, but may also positively impact the NFT ecosystem. Oscar Franklin Tan, the Chief Financial Officer of Atlas Development, a core contributor to the NFT platform engine, believes that NFT prices will surge after the halving. The executive argued that this is part of a known cycle where interest in Bitcoin spills over other ecosystems like NFTs. Tan said, "Prices and volumes should eventually surge after the halving as part of the known cycle. Because NFTs are established segments of ecosystems, interest from Bitcoin will spill over into NFTs together with altcoins." Tan told Cointelegraph that this is especially true for NFTs integrated within altcoin ecosystems, which are different from profile picture or PFP projects. The executive explained that these NFTs receive token airdrops or digital collectibles used in token-gated networks. Zach Burks, the founder of NFT marketplace Mintable, said that while accurately predicting the future growth or adoption of technology is almost impossible, the community can expect an increase in trading volume for NFTs as Bitcoin's price rises. If the halving also boosts user engagement, it is reasonable to expect an uptrend in NFT prices. Bitcoin ordinals to be directly impacted. Burks also shared his belief that Bitcoin ordinals will be directly impacted by upward BTC price movements. Burks believes that there are Bitcoin holders who haven't been able to use their BTC for any significant participation in the Bitcoin ecosystem for years. This means there are a lot of people who have disposable income in Bitcoin to spend or use that haven't had anything to use it on until now. This multiplies as the price increases. Once we break $70,000, every user who has ever bought Bitcoin will be in the green, and this means there is more money to play with. Tan echoed the sentiment and described Bitcoin ordinals as an obvious beneficiary of the Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund narrative. If the ETF establishes Bitcoin as digital gold, then ordinals are established as digital gold carvings immutable on the mother chain. Meanwhile, BNB Chain Senior Solution Architect Jimmy Zhou explained that the halving could highlight how ordinals can help miners generate revenue after BTC rewards dwindle. With ordinals generating over $200 million in transaction fees for miners, Zhou said that the ordinals are likely to get a boost as the upcoming halving will influence fees and miner revenue. NFT adoption amid the Bitcoin halving. Zhou also believes that the halving could have an impact on NFT adoption on a broader scale. The executive said that the halving could trigger a domino effect when it gets recognized in the mainstream media because of the halving. Zoe believes that with this, more people will be exposed to NFT utility and understands its use cases. Burks expressed similar beliefs. The Mintable founder said that the halving may act as free marketing for the broader crypto sector and attract new individuals. He explained, as these newcomers integrate into the crypto ecosystem, we will likely see them expand beyond merely purchasing BTC on exchanges. Instead, they'll start engaging with the wider crypto and Web3 ecosystem, including NFTs, DeFi, and other applications beyond trading. Meanwhile, Tan believes the halving will impact NFT adoption as new NFTs or marketplaces focusing on digital collectibles may emerge. With Bitcoin being increasingly intertwined with NFTs, the adoption of NFTs would also closely follow when Bitcoin stands in the limelight. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, Coachella and OpenSea launch NFTs with music festival utility and keepsakes. Coachella, one of the world's largest music festivals, revealed a new partnership with OpenSea that will turn NFTs into real-life VIP experiences, exclusive merchandise, and digital collectibles. The popular music and arts festival Coachella announced a new collaboration with the non-fungible token marketplace, OpenSea, to launch digital keepsakes that will have real-world utility at the event. On March 5th, the Coachella Valley Music and Arts Festival revealed that its 2024 edition of the festival will have 3 unique NFT collections serving as all-access passes to some of the festival's most exclusive on-site experiences and merchandise. Coachella is one of the largest music festivals in the world, with upward of 645,000 people attending. It is known for its diverse music acts, featuring newcomers and superstars alike, along with many celebrity attendees. Over the years, the festival has become a major fixture in pop culture and the music industry, and is a highly sought-after event for advertisers. This partnership with OpenSea is a move that brings both NFTs and the greater idea of Web3 utility and innovation into the mainstream for direct use. Sam Schoonover, the innovation lead for Coachella, called the collaboration a new chapter in how the event can use NFTs to create customer user experiences both in real life and digitally. He said, "We're moving toward a future where Coachella isn't just an event you attend, but an experience you can own and shape based on the digital tokens in your possession." The NFT collections will be hosted on the Avalanche blockchain network and released over 3 subsequent drops that pair collectible Coachella intellectual property artwork with perks, including access to exclusive areas, limited edition Coachella merchandise, and VIP festival passes. The first drop takes place on March 5th, with only 1,000 available NFTs, granting holders a VIP pass, access to the Oasis Lounge, and an Oasis Lounge keepsake, with the other 2 on March 25th and mid-April. Devin Finzer, the CEO of OpenSea, commented on the partnership and what it could mean for the space. "Our partnership with Coachella represents a significant milestone, uniting the digital with the physical in ways that promise to enrich the festival experience and usher in a new paradigm in the live event and ticketing industry. This partnership comes as OpenSea continues to weather a rocky NFT market, with February 2024 accounting for a 3-year low in NFT sales, with only 199,000 being sold. The platform is known for being a dominant player in the Web3 scene. However, over the last few years, it has been subject to vampire attacks, through which other platforms have tried to lure its users and liquidity through incentives such as lower fees. In December 2023, The OKX NFT marketplace topped both OpenSea and Blur, its top competitors, in daily trading volume. OpenSea's CEO said in an interview at the beginning of the year that it is open-minded to the idea of being acquired by another company given the climate of the current NFT market. Our next top headline: crypto dollars helped lift U.S. politicians to victory in congressional primaries. Campaign giving from industry sources has factored heavily in several races, aiding some likely future members of Congress, though November will see the major tests. Crypto political action committees contributed to congressional candidates who won their primaries on Tuesday, including in Texas, North Carolina, and Alabama. The bulk of their giving went to tank U.S. Representative Katie Porter in her bid for a California Senate seat. Focused campaign spending from the crypto industry hit pay dirt in Super Tuesday elections across the U.S., with several key congressional races going the way the industry had hoped. Crypto interests had focused special attention on ensuring U.S. Representative Katie Porter failed to secure a Senate seat in California based on fears that she'd emulate Senator Elizabeth Warren, Democrat, Massachusetts, as a digital asset antagonist. In California's top two primary contests, initial results show Porter coming in a distant third, which not only leaves the prominent progressive out of the running for the Senate, but also out of a job next year in the House of Representatives. From the White House to the Senate to the House, make no mistake, the crypto voter is here, said Josh Vlasto, a spokesman for Fair Shake and other political action committees, or PACs, established by crypto businesses and investors. The crypto voter cares whose side a candidate is on, and the crypto voter will play a pivotal role in the 2024 elections. Porter was the industry's top target. While crypto's role in her defeat can't necessarily be quantified, industry cash arrived as she was neck and neck with the top Republican, Steve Garvey, who eventually surpassed her. If she'd reached second place, Porter still may not have been able to defeat U.S. Representative Adam Schiff, Democrat California, in the November general election. He'll now battle Garvey for the Senate seat. In total, the crypto PAC, including Fair Shake and Protect Progress, spent more than $13 million on 4 congressional races, Vlasto reported. Of that amount, more than $10 million was devoted to defeating Porter. Crypto interests also steered $1.7 million to help Shamari Figures dominate a crowded field of Democrats for a House race in Alabama. Figures, a veteran of several government roles in Washington, once worked for Senator Sherrod Brown, Democrat Ohio, who has so far been an impediment to crypto legislation progress as the chair of the Senate Banking Committee. But Figures indicated on his campaign website that he'd embrace the new landscape around digital assets like cryptocurrency to stimulate innovation and technological advancement. In Texas, the industry PACs backed Julie Johnson with almost $1 million in another congressional race in which she'd so far secured more than half of the vote, despite facing 9 other Democratic candidates. And in North Carolina, the crypto industry boosted Tim Moore for a congressional race there, devoting more than $500,000 to the Republican Speaker of the North Carolina House. Moore secured that nomination on Tuesday, and his seat is considered key to a shift toward more Republicans in the state's congressional delegation. The outcomes in those races represent a preliminary win for crypto interests, but whether Congress is friendlier to the sector next year will really turn on what happens in the November general elections. Most importantly, the president for the next 4 years will determine who is running the regulatory agencies and how they'll operate, and the majority parties in the Senate and House will control the agenda for crypto legislation. but whichever party ascends, progress in Congress will still require the two sides work together. We believe crypto election spending could help in the next Congress if the industry's preferred candidates win in November, said Jarrett Seiberg, an analyst at TD Cowen, in a research note on Wednesday. Yet, it won't be decisive, as enough crypto critics will remain to ensure whatever bill advances is a compromise. Key critics remain in power, including Senate Banking Chair Sherrod Brown and Senator Elizabeth Warren, Seiberg noted. So this concludes our top headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.